I've been using it throughout this training because it does work. It works phenomenally well. And what it does is I'm talking with a guest, I ask them a question, and oftentimes I can tell it's going to be not a very short answer. And that's okay. I love my guests to talk. And that also gives me a time to take a break from camera. And so what I'll do is simply, let me move these things out of the way a little bit. And so you can see that. And when I do this, I always keep looking at the camera for a period even after I press the button, because again, it's not an instant action. So my thumb is on it right there. You can see right there, that one, the guest solo is right there, and I'm gonna press it right now, and I'm still looking at the camera, You see, it took a little while. I won't be talking, but I'm going to keep looking at the camera, and rather than do something, so I just went side by side, rather than do something like click it and just right, you don't want to do that. You want to give just a fraction of a second, or at least a full second, and use that as your guide.